How can I troubleshoot the issue of Ring Live View not working?
Hello there. Are you struggling with your Ring Live View not working? Don't worry. Today, we'll walk you through several steps that could help you troubleshoot and hopefully resolve the issue.
Checking your internet connection.
First and foremost, let's ensure that your internet connection is stable. Ring Live View relies on a good Wi-Fi connection, and issues often arise from connection problems. 1. Check your Wi-Fi speed. Ring devices typically require an upload speed of 1 to 2 megabits per second for a smooth live view. 2. Ensure your Ring device is within range of your Wi-Fi router, or consider getting a Wi-Fi extender if it's too far away.
Are your Ring device's settings correct?
If your internet connection isn't the problem, let's check the settings of your Ring device. 1. Ensure that your Ring device has the Live View feature enabled. 2. Make sure that the Ring app has the necessary permissions to access your device's camera and microphone. 3. Check if there are any updates for your Ring app. If so, install them.
Is your device's battery charged?
If your Ring device operates on battery, make sure the battery is sufficiently charged. Low battery levels may prevent the Live View feature from working properly.
Restart your Ring device and router.
Sometimes, the good old trick of turning it off and on again can resolve the issue. 1. Restart your Ring device. 2. Restart your router. 3. After both devices have restarted, try to access Live View again.
Contacting Ring support.
If none of the above solutions worked, it's time to contact Ring support. They have access to more advanced troubleshooting steps and can provide assistance. We hope this guide helps you troubleshoot and fix the issue with your Ring Live View not working. Remember, in most cases, these issues arise from small misconfigurations or connection issues, and troubleshooting them can bring things back to normal. If you're still having problems, don't hesitate to contact Ring support. They're there to help. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.